How to count the number of months between two dates in Excel. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, you'll find starting date and end date. After you do that, simply type in is equals to dated, bracket open, and select the starting date, then comma, then select end date. After that, type comma and then quotation mark and then M. Finish it with quotation mark and close your bracket. Press on enter and you will find your answer in this way. This is how to count the number of months between two dates in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.